This is Kamasi. He's a manager. So Kamasi, what kind of car do you drive?
Well, I drive a Kia Telluride. I
And then-
absolutely love it.
Okay, and then what is your dream car for Christmas?
Dream car for Christmas, easily. All right, I'm looking at a 2024 C8, which is a Corvette. It's the hottest thing that's on the market right now. Love that car. If I had to go with a second choice, I gotta tell you, if it's me, I'm gonna go with a TRX. Two separate different cars, but it's gonna have a great time driving it. And it's all about having fun. You should love what you drive.
Hi guys, this is Noah in part. What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a 2017 Infiniti Q50,
Okay, and then what's your dream car for Christmas?
a white on black Audi RS6.
Slay.
This is Caitlin. Caitlin works in the office here at Russ Darrow Kia. Caitlin, what kind of car do you drive?
2013 Chevy Cruze.
Cool. If you could have any car for Christmas, what kind of car would it be?
A pink Range Rover, like Barbie.
Cool.
Hi guys, this is Max. He's a tech. What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a ratted out Honda Civic.
Okay, and then if you could have any car for Christmas, what would it be?
Probably a Lexus ISF.
Period. Okay, so this is Jay. So what kind of car do you drive?
So I drive a Elantra Hyundai, but my dream car is a Jeep Trackhawk.
Period. Okay, so this is Shay. She's a salesperson. So what car do you drive?
I drive an 18 Honda Civic,
And then what kind of car would you want for Christmas?
a Lamborghini.
Okay.